Mischief, can you say hello?
Hello.
Good bird. He does all sorts of voices. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Good job. And sometimes he hears people who have a cold. Good job, Mischief. Can you say hello? No. Hello. He's all excited. About hi.
Hi.
Good boy. Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
God, I just don't want him to go for my eyes. By injecting an ostrich egg like this, the scientists hope the baby chicken side will take on all the characteristics of a moa. That means if the scientists are successful, the moa chick will grow to 3 times an ostrich egg like this. Scientists hope the baby chicken side will take on all the characteristics of a moa. That means if the scientists are successful, the baby moa chick will grow to at least 3 times the size of these ostriches. Go away. Go away.